Once an organization has a strong incident response plan (IRP) and a well-prepared team, the next critical step in the incident handling process is identification. Identification is about detecting potential security incidents, distinguishing real threats from false alarms, and classifying incidents based on their severity. Cyber threats don't always announce themselves. Many attacks happen silently, operating undetected for weeks or even months. The ability to quickly identify a security incident can make the difference between a minor security issue and a full-blown data breach. In this lecture, we'll explore 1. How security incidents are detected. 2. The different types of cybersecurity threats. 3. Indicators of compromise, IOCs, and indicators of attack, IOAs. 4. Tools and techniques used for identification. 5. Best practices for effective threat detection. Many organizations struggle with delayed incident detection. According to cybersecurity reports, the average time to detect a breach is around 200 days. During this time, attackers can steal data, install malware, and move laterally across networks. For example, in the 2013 Target data breach, attackers gained access to the network through a compromised third-party vendor. Even though there were several warning signs, security teams didn't recognize the threat until 40 million customer credit card records were stolen. This highlights why quick and accurate identification is crucial for minimizing damage. Security incidents can be identified through various means, including 1. Automated security monitoring. Organizations use SIEM, Security Information and Event Management Systems, intrusion detection systems, and log monitoring tools to analyze network activity in real time. 2. User reports. Employees or customers may report suspicious activity, such as unexpected password reset emails, unauthorized transactions, or unusual system behavior. 3. Threat intelligence feeds. Cybersecurity teams leverage threat intelligence platforms to stay updated on emerging cyber threats and known attack techniques. 4. Anomaly detection. Machine learning and AI-based detection tools can spot unusual network patterns, such as unexpected data transfers, unauthorized access attempts, or abnormal login behaviors. 5. Incident response drills. Conducting simulated attacks helps organizations test their identification capabilities and fine-tune security monitoring tools. Security teams need to recognize various types of cyber threats, including malware infections. Includes viruses, worms, trojans, and ransomware that infiltrate systems and steal or encrypt data. Phishing attacks. Cybercriminals use fraudulent emails, messages, or websites to trick users into revealing sensitive information. Denial of service (DOS) attacks. Attackers flood networks or servers with excessive traffic, disrupting normal operations. Insider threats. Employees or contractors may intentionally or unintentionally compromise security by leaking credentials or misconfiguring systems. Advanced persistent threats (APTs). Highly sophisticated long-term cyber attacks often conducted by nation-state actors or organized cybercriminal groups. Security analysts use IOCs and IOAs to detect cyber threats. 1. Indicators of compromise (IOCs) are forensic clues that suggest a system has already been breached. These include unusual outbound traffic, e.g. data being sent to unknown locations, unauthorized file modifications, unexpected login attempts from foreign locations, presence of malware signatures in logs. 2. Indicators of attack, IOAs, focus on the attacker's behavior and intent rather than the aftermath. They help detect threats before a breach occurs. Examples include reconnaissance activity, e.g. repeated failed login attempts, scanning tools. Privilege escalation attempts, suspicious scripting or command execution. Organizations rely on various security tools to monitor and analyze network activity for potential threats. SIEM, Security Information and Event Management Systems, collect and correlate logs from different security tools to detect anomalies. Intrusion detection systems, IDS, and intrusion prevention systems, IPS, monitor network traffic for signs of malicious activity. Endpoint detection and response, EDR, solutions detect and respond to threats at the device level, such as laptops, servers, and mobile devices. Network traffic analysis tools. Tools like Wireshark help analyze network packets to identify potential threats. Honeypots and deception technology. Security teams use honeypots to lure attackers and study their tactics. To improve threat detection, organizations should follow these best practices. 1. Enable continuous monitoring. Use real-time security monitoring tools to detect and analyze threats as they happen. 2. Establish a baseline for normal activity. Knowing what normal network behavior looks like helps security teams detect anomalous activity faster. 3. Automate threat detection. AI-driven security solutions can automate anomaly detection and reduce false positives. 4. Train employees on cyber threats. Many attacks begin with human error, such as falling for phishing emails. Security awareness training can help prevent this. 5. Regularly update threat intelligence feeds. Keeping up with emerging attack trends helps security teams stay ahead of cybercriminals. 6. Conduct routine security audits. Reviewing logs and analyzing past incidents helps identify gaps in security detection strategies. Identification is one of the most critical phases in the incident handling process. The faster an organization detects an attack, the better its chances of minimizing damage and containing the threat. By leveraging security tools, understanding IOCs and IOAs, and implementing best practices, organizations can significantly improve their threat detection capabilities. In the next lecture, we'll explore Step 3, Containment, where we discuss how to limit the spread of cyber attacks and prevent further damage. Stay tuned.